In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your Epson WorkForce WF-7210 series printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux tablet, PC, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Epson WorkForce WF-7210 support, and you want to search for that. Best result should come back with an Epson domain that says Epson WorkForce WF-7210. Go ahead and open that up. And then you just want to scroll down on this page, selecting under operating system, click the drop down, and you can select either Linux, Mac OS, or a Windows version that's on your device, and then select go. Scrolling down, you want to then select the driver and utility combo package installer. Go ahead and download that. And then once it's downloaded onto your device, you can go ahead and just open up that file from your downloads folder. And if you receive a user account control prompt, it should be signed from Epson. You want to go ahead and select yes, and then just proceed with the installer like you would any normal application. And this installer will have everything you need to use your Epson WorkForce WF-7210. Select OK, and then just proceed with this installer like you would in a normal application. You can install optional features and programs if you choose, as well as configuring if you want to have your printer set up to print wirelessly or a wired connection. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.